Hello, thanks for allowing us to carry out a gas safety inspection at your property. This short video will tell you what you need to do in preparation for your gas check and what it involves. Safety checks are a legal requirement for landlords and should be done every year. An inspection is done to ensure your gas appliances are safe and that there are no issues with the gas supply. During an inspection, we will test the gas appliances and installation pipework in your property to ensure all is working safely. So, what do we need from you? First of all, please be available at your arranged time slot. If you are unable to be at home, please contact your engineer prior to the appointment so that they can use the time for someone else. If you are feeling poorly or suspect a contagious illness, then let us know, we'll leave you alone until you feel better. If you have any special requirements or if there's anything we should know about your household or its inhabitants, then just let us know. Gas engineers are a friendly bunch and will accommodate you wherever they can. It would help us out if you can avoid using your heating for approximately half an hour before we arrive. This helps us to test the boiler at its maximum level for a longer period. Make sure you have credit on your gas and electricity. The engineer will need to use a small amount of gas and electricity to carry out a safety inspection. Without this supply, the inspection will need to be rebooked. In order to carry out an inspection, all gas appliances in the property will need to be checked. This includes boiler, gas hob, gas fires, etc. Please remove any clutter from the area to make sure all appliances are accessible. If there is anything sentimental or you have a random monet stuck to the front of an appliance, please remove it to avoid it getting damaged during works. If you have pets, try and keep them out of the way whilst the engineer is present. We may need to go in and out of the property to access the meter, flue or pipework, and pets running off makes us look bad. Plus, running up and down the street shouting for Fido to come home doesn't do anything for our street cred. If we find a safety issue with any of your appliances, we may need to temporarily turn off the appliance whilst the problem can be rectified. We endeavor to get this resolved as soon as possible. If an appliance has to be turned off, it is done for your safety. We know this can be annoying, but it's only done if it poses a risk to you or the property. If there are any minor issues with any of your appliances, such as a small drip coming from a pipe, please let your engineer know when they arrive. These issues may not affect the actual safety of an appliance and may not be able to be resolved during the appointment, but making us and your landlord aware will allow plans to be made for repair. So, to summarize: 1. Be in, or let us know if you can't be. 2. Make the working area accessible. 3. Keep pets at bay. Being dry humped by a dog isn't part of the job description. 4. Make sure you have gas and electric. 5. Don't shout at us if your knackered boiler is a death trap. 6. I'm not the person in the video, so don't freak out when someone different arrives. Identification is available upon request and your engineer can also be found on the gas safe register. All good? Good. We look forward to seeing you soon.